Welcome to She Talks UAE 2025. This is a special warm welcome to all my viewers and to you, as I have with me Miss Kiran Khwaja.
Thank you.
You are from Fajr Realty CEO, and you are one of the power inspiring one. And I feel your gorgeous, your presence, and also your purest, the love energy which is radiating from you. So thank you so much for being here. A warm welcome to you.
Thank you so much of having me and so kind. And all your words are very kind and mean a lot to me.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good. I just closed the deal before coming here and I'm passionate about my work and I'm feeling good. It's a good, great day.
MashaAllah.
Mashallah.
So, going to the start from your life, I would love to know how basically you just entered something like real estate, which not many women do. So, tell us about your journey, your story.
Yeah, it's I can't say it's all fun. It was tiring. It was long. It was 19 years. It was a lot of
2 decades.
failures, 2 decades almost, lot of failures, lot of successes. But
MashaAllah.
Alhamdulillah, we made it. The whole thing is being consistent and keeping your values through, being honest to your partners who are doing work with you, who's trying to invest with you. And then when they believe in you, then you don't need anything else apart from the prayers you do and your hard work.
So authentically and interestingly you have really mentioned this, but I am having something in mind that this is a real estate is a male dominated industry. Am I right?
It is still a male dominating society and industry for sure, yes.
So how did you manage to create that success, like the stamp of yours, as you are among the top 20
Yeah,
and you are
alhamdulillah.
rising, and very soon I think the next podcast would be like the leading one. So but still this is a secret, and I
Yeah,
would.
the secret is only one, that don't give up. With all the failures I had, with all the bad days I had, don't give up. Be consistent. Feel good. Be positive, and make sure believe in yourself that you can do it. When you believe in yourself, you can do it. Then you can do it because you are doing good to people. You are doing making them invest the best what you think is the best for them, and when you being honest with your investors who are believing in you, I don't think you can fail continuously. There is a reason to fail, and then failures teach you to rise in success, and fame comes along with it.
Yeah, very true. To error is human. So, what is that one point where you felt that, like, I am in the right and this is happening for my biggest higher self, for my best?
Okay, there were many points I can say. I can't say one. Every year, there's one point where I say, "Oh my God, I've done it, and I've done it really." And that was when I look back. I used to say, "Can I do it myself?" And then, even then, I believed, "Yes, I will, and one day I will." But every year, there's a turning point. Every year you have a equilibrium success point where you meet the patterns that this is the milestone you have to achieve, and then when you achieve it, then you say alhamdulillah, you've done it. But even for that, you just have to work and work very hard. I'm a workaholic. I work all the time. I don't know when to eat, when to sleep, what is happening, what is not happening. Apart from I love myself, I believe in prayers, and of course my mother's parents' prayers are very important for me. I don't see timings. I start and I don't know when to stop.
Yeah, because you are passionately in the game.
Yes, I love my work and I'm very passionate about real estate, you know.
Yeah.
When people thought that we should just do it as a work, I started it as a passion. It was my inspiration to see how His Highness Sheikh Mohammed vision turned into reality in these 19 years. I mean, we believed in him, and everybody who believed in him then, of course, made a lot of money and success. And the pattern was not easy. Pattern was lot of things came up and went, gone. But pattern was to keep going with the thought process of a visionary leader like Sheikh Mohammed.
Yeah, the leadership actually is very strong, and he has appeared as the biggest one of the prominent leaders. The whole globe is looking at Sheikh
100%,
Mohammed, and
100%.
even people are learning from his
100%.
visionary
Like
approach.
His Highness Sheikh Mohammed, His Highness Sheikh Hamdan, and His Highness Sheikh Nayan are the conceptual people that raise the UAE as a world global pattern where people see in terms of security, money, investments, safety, ROI, number one ranked, not just there, it is number one ranked.
Yeah, this is really for people, and he's still working on this. Like, still today
They have
is
vision.
the right day.
They have vision for next 50 years, which they have defined. But I'm sure they have much better vision, and they will disclose it to us. And it is for us, expats. I always believe I am from UAE, regardless. I'm not their national, but they love their people, so the people love them back same way.
Correct. This is absolutely the real truth
Their truth, yes,
of Dubai,
of
as you are
course.
living in this land, and
Yes.
we both are experiencing this.
Of course.
And I think personally that even today is the right day to invest in Dubai real estate, UAE.
100%, because initially when we started, like I started in 2006, and people started investing in Dubai with me or the others, they started investing in a good place like Dubai. But now people are investing in the world class city with world class amenities, with the tallest, biggest, the most branded, the most luxurious, the best amenities. So, topmost people of the world, I will not say one country, I will say around 40 countries in the world, which are at the top,
Yeah.
are investing in UAE. And for them, this is the best time for them to invest.
So this is really, now I'm becoming curious to ask for on behalf of my audience who doesn't know you, like how does your Fajr Realty, your company where you are in with your leadership, outstand or differentiate from other people, and what is so different about you people?
Okay, see, we are, there are two things different, I will say. One is integrity, honesty, which you will find that we have it. Second thing is we are a one shop stop for our all investors. We make them invest to the best, and surely then we take care of their properties, we do the snaggings. In between, somebody wants to resell it on a very high capital gain, we make it through for them. They make money, we are also very happy. Some wants to keep them and then do rental, we do the rental one also. Then we have a big team, and some people keep it all the way down and they want to us to manage their properties as well, and also their golden visa or residency visas.
Wow.
So they are feel secure. Like one investor doesn't have to rush from one place to another thinking that 10 people has to look of one thing. We, Fajr Reality, Kiran Nadeem Khawaja, takes care with his management of the whole, I will say, my small empire of the company. We take care of everything.
That's amazing, and that's
Alhamdulillah,
really
yes.
so good for your clients. I am now very curious to know who are the globally. I think all are your. You
Yes,
have
I'm
clients from
dealing
all
with
over.
dealing with all over the world. Yes.
So majorly, where do you see the people now? They are mostly
Um,
coming.
See, people are coming from, I can't say nationalities, I don't want to define them, but I'm very predominant in Asian countries and
Asia.
African countries.
Nice.
And yes, and Europe a lot. Most of my clients are based in Europe. So I have a lot of nationalities who are continuously doing work with me from 19 years.
That's amazing. That's
Yes,
amazing, and
mashallah.
congratulations
Thank
for
you so much.
creating such big community
Thank
of
you so much.
happy customers.
Yes, happy
with,
customers.
with happy money.
Exactly. Because they make money, I'm
Happy
happy,
money.
and I also make money. And then they
Right.
reinvest. So this is like a cycle going on.
Right. Very, very valuable, because money is a very interesting subject.
Of course. That's why they invest. Investor needs money, capital gain, ROI. And one very valid point for Dubai is no taxation. We
This-
don't have a property tax. We don't
Wow.
have an income tax. We don't have a tax on the rental values. So people make a lot of money here.
Wow. This is for the audience who is watching and who are looking for investing. So you
Of
are the right
course.
person for anybody who is watching this podcast and thinking to make money to connect with you.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Contact Kiran Kawaja for your reality.
Exactly. You are, I think, the best person to like showcase the best of properties here in Dubai. Another thing, you are now going to get an award next week.
Inshallah.
It is
Inshallah.
like, how do you feel about it? It is a Global Leaders Award of this year.
So I have to be honest. Like every recognition I have received till now, mashallah, alhamdulillah, I'm always thrilled, excited, and honored and humbled about it, because in UAE till now I've received only from UAE 51 recognitions and awards. So I'm very thrilled, and I'm very excited too, because this is a lot of hard work which I
Yeah.
put into my number of hours, endless which I work. So naturally, I feel very excited when I do it all.
You are so hardworking, as I really see that, and you are also sharing. Similarly, I see you so fresh and so like in good energy. And so, how is this? Yours, especially your dressing sense, your styling is so like having its own magnetism. So, what do you think as a woman? Because
See,
I have
as
not
a
seen.
woman, I love myself. This is one thing. I love myself, and the reason I can love people back
Correct.
is that I love myself the most.
True.
And then I take care of myself in a way. Even I'm working doesn't mean I don't have to care of myself. Every day starts beautifully, alhamdulillah, with Allah's blessing. So when I start my day, I start it as a success day from the beginning, from the morning prayers to the way I dress up, chic or simple or stylish. You have to look very, very up to the mark to see who you are. First, you
For
need to
yourself.
define who you are to yourself.
Correct.
Then people can define you back that who you are.
And when you dress up, don't you feel that creates an energy like taking you to success?
100%. Because see, any effort we make to eat healthy, or to pray on time, or to dress up well, and the attire we wear according to the culture, and how nicely dressed up you are, it gives you an influence back, energy back from the universe, that you are successful already.
Yeah, right. This is really, I think, going to all women, as it is She Talks UAE 2025. So you as a woman leader, I think most of the people who are watching you right now through this podcast will be taking this in their life for sure.
I think they should take it seriously, and they should love themselves more.
Yeah,
Yes.
loving yourself more.
Yes.
Yeah. And now I see you as you have been mentoring many people, and especially the youngsters, the entrepreneurs for women. So what do you have to share with them?
See, yes, you're right. I agree with you. See, when I went to Hajj in 2012, when I came back, my life changed. I wanted to understand the meaning of the life. So what I understood in my small, simple method is that humanity is religion.
Wow.
So I started giving back to humanity in my own ways. So alhamdulillah, it took me small baby steps, but now I'm sponsoring 36 children, and I'm organizing, like, with the team of 79 organization, which comes to cancer hospitals, women organization, disabled, old homes. So that is one part, and I think their prayers are also with me. So I feel very, very energetic, and I think women role in life is very important.
Right.
So I encourage a lot of women. I encourage them and I make them feel important, because if they're sure of themselves, half of the population in the world is women. So
Exactly.
when they are happy, when they are confident, and when they are bringing good energies back to home or work, the whole nation will be happy.
Got it.
So that's why this is my role as a mentor for not only women, only for younger generation. But yes, they are very quick and speedy. They want to do everything like
Shortcut.
quick and shortcuts. And if they don't achieve anything in 3 months, they will say, "Oh my God, Kiran, what's going on? I'm not doing it. Maybe it's not the right one for me." And then I laugh and tell them, "Listen, this is nothing. Success comes with millions of failures. So be consistent and be patient, but keep
Right.
on doing it."
Right, right.
And that's it. And this is my message to all the youngsters as well, who join any organization or real estate or anything they are passionate about. Just be passionate, persistent, and continue with even failures. And success comes with failures.
Yeah, so this is for the audience, as like you are sharing, that consistency and discipline.
Exactly.
actually the key.
100%. 100%.
What are your new plans, or further what is there in Fajr Realty which you would like to share on this podcast?
Okay, so we have like I have planned myself out, alhamdulillah, for next 5 years. Next year plans I can't share, but this year I can tell you that we are expanding, and we are doing another branch as well. We already have 2 branches, the third one is coming, alhamdulillah. So this is my expansion programs for 2025.
How do you see your support system as you are a successful? Who are the people? You're the human angels.
See, my support system is all my mother prayers, my dad's prayers, and my dad and my brother supporting me like a backbone, you can say.
Amazing.
Because I am coming from Pakistan, a Muslim culture, and a Muslim culture, I can't say difficult, but maybe we need more, we need to push our parents more to understand how can we do it better.
Right.
So in my case, I didn't need to push them. They were always supportive to me. And whenever I needed to express my thought process, that how was my day, and this I'm going through. My dad is a businessman, and my brother also. And so then when they get back to me with the ideas, and they say, "Kiran, you don't have to fail. This is the way it is belongs. You're just on the edge. Just move it a little bit more." And that made me more happier as a person, as a woman, as a daughter, as a sister. And yes, I'm very, very, alhamdulillah, I will say, privileged that my parents and my brother stands with me all the time.
One thing which you had shared with me prior to this podcast, and it's important, so I would like you to share with the audience, that you come from a rich family, rich
Yes,
background.
yes.
But you didn't have monetary support.
No, not at all.
You started from zero,
Not
from
at
scratch.
all. Not at all. When I came here, when I thought that it could be a dreams of land opportunity, you know. When told my parents I want to work here, and then they said, first they said, of course, no. They said, "Why don't you go to US, and you know everybody's going to UK, and my uncles are all there." I said, no, this is opportunity. This is what I see. This is opportunity. So then my dad said, "Okay, if you think it's opportunity, then show me."
And you showed them.
And alhamdulillah, I showed them. And they're very proud of me. I'm a successful, alhamdulillah, million times successful woman in terms of my work, my personal success. But they are very proud of me.
A self-made woman, and of course your environment supported you. And also you were sharing with me that environment is very important.
Very important.
Negative people, you were sharing that.
I stay away from negative energies,
Yeah.
negative people.
Very powerful.
Yes, and I don't like toxic people. I don't like people who starts with if and buts, you know. Because when I start my day, I said I will do it, inshallah. That's it.
Your word is your world.
My word,
You create
yes.
it. You say
Yes,
and it happens.
It happens. exactly.
And that is because you believe in yourself.
I believe in myself and I believe in that thing what I'm doing.
Yeah.
And that makes me so passionate and I'm so crazy about what I'm doing. And of course, it helps me because when I'm already believing in it, the day will start like this, it will end up like this. So it has an energy which makes me keep it through.
And also because you love yourself.
I love myself for sure.
And you have values, integrity, honesty.
For sure.
So you are a perfect combo for like being a global business leader.
Thank you so much.
And that is what I'm sensing sitting in front of you. That this is 2025, but very soon I think there'll be more news and more podcasts
news and more podcasts and more success and
Yeah.
more money and
Correct.
bringing Fajr into more
I see that.
better and better way. So Alhamdulillah, inshallah it will happen.
Now my last, it was very interesting podcast and it was really amazing being with you.
Thank you.
What is your one tagline or something for the audience, a punchline, a quote or anything?
I can say that don't give up ever. Be consistent
Be consistent.
and keep on trying and you will succeed.
Yeah. Thank you so much. This
Thank
was
you so
amazing.
much.
Such a lovely
Thank you.
sharing it was. And wish you all the best. And
Thank
for
you.
your coming award,
I'm
congratulations
so
in
excited.
advance.
I'm so excited. Looking
Yeah.
forward. Thank
Yeah,
you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Me to Connect. Thank you, Dr. Nahid. Thank you, the Media Wave. I really appreciate and how good you are with your work. I mean, I meet so many people and you guys are so professional. That makes you guys here as well. Because being professional is something you are spot on, you are so much available when needed, and at the same time, you connect people, gel into people very well. Thank you so much, the whole team. Thank you. I appreciate.
Yeah. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you.
Thank you.